Good morning, students. Today is 14th August 2020. I am going to take an English class for you. Standard 9, topic 17 oranges. This is a lesson. Today we are going to study synonyms of this lesson. See the first word, docks. What is the meaning of dock? An enclosed area of water in a port for the loading, unloading and repair of ships. Second word is apron, a protective garment worn over the front of one's cloth and tied at the back. Red-handed, used to indicate that a person has been discovered in the act of doing something wrong. Concealed, the act of keeping something secret or hidden. Blabbing, to reveal secrets indiscreetly and thoughtlessly. Pips, small hard seeds in a fruit. Chunks, thick large pieces of something. Now see some more synonyms here. Blabbling, revealing secrets indiscreetly, bulging, swelling, protruding, concealed, hidden, evidence, proof, frightened, afraid, scared, furiously, angrily, peeled, stripped, quite, silent, sick, ill or unwell, struggle, strive, swallow, gulp, tricky, difficult, trouble, difficulty. See the words, I will read the words again. Blabbing, bulging, concealed, evidence, frightened, furiously, peeled, quiet, sick, struggle, swallow, tricky, trouble. So memorize these synonyms. It's very important. Now see, a synonyms will be given like this, in this form. A short para will be given. The words will be underlined. You have to choose the correct option from here. Now see here, too many people are stealing from the docks. Pongo said, you have stolen these oranges and concealed them in your pocket. Have you anything to say? I said nothing. I was very frightened, but I kept quiet. I had read a lot of detective stories to make the mistake of blabbing. See, what is the meaning of stealing? Here some words are given there: hiding, pilfering, taking, packing. So here the correct answer is pilfering. Second word is concealed. What is the answer for this? See the glossary or the synonyms part which I gave now. Concealed means hidden. So the answer is hidden only. Frightened. What is the meaning of frightened? Afraid. So choose any word is there? Yes. Afraid is there. Next word, quiet. Keep quiet. So what is the correct answer for this? Calm. Next word, blabbing. Meaning for blabbing is revealing secretly, indiscreetly. So choose the correct answer for that question. Blabbing, disclosing. Blabbing means what? Disclosing. Now see, one more question is there. I almost gave up the hope of escaping from the trouble. I was locked in the cabin and the oranges were on the table. Pongo had gone to bring a witness. I was in trouble. Eat the oranges, said a voice in my head. Eat the evidence. So what is the meaning of hope? Confidence. Escaping. What is the meaning of escaping? Evading. Cabin, room. Witness. What is the meaning of witness? Spectator. Evidence, proof.